the way that the Juul was manufactured, it was to resemble a cigarette um, as best as possible, the draw and everything, the feeling of it.
They're small. They would almost look like a USB drive, but maybe twice in length and a little bit slimmer, easily concealable. And what they are is a electronic device that you put in a nicotine, usually it's a nicotine-based liquid, and it ends up getting vaporized by the electronic current that goes through it. And then you inhale the vapor that is discharged after it's heated up.
The health concerns with the e-cigarettes or Juuls, the fact that Juuls is very concentrated, like one of those little packets that you would get from a Juul is as much as a whole pack of cigarettes. So that is a lot of nicotine in one of those tiny little Juuls. The long-term effects we don't know yet because it's so recent. However, they are seeing that people are getting bleeding gums, they're losing their teeth. Teens are actually having smoker's cough. They're getting all these chemicals and it's going directly into their lungs. They're also seeing problems with their immune system. They are not able to fight any type of diseases because it weakens their immune systems.
I smoked cigarettes for a little bit, and it was a healthier way to get off cigarettes. I used the gums and patches and stuff, but none of that worked. So when I came across the Juul, it was the most like a cigarette with it's healthier than a cigarette too. It's kind of weird, like the hand to mouth is almost like an addiction itself.
I think the students have easy access to them, and I think the Juuls today, as they're known to the students, have replaced what the iconic cigarette was to students decades ago, before our time. It was cool to have a cigarette, and now it's cool to have a Juul. I absolutely think it affects the students' learning environments, because if they are vaporizing and vaping in class, then that's kicking out into the air, and it's going to affect other students that are sitting near them and cause a disruption to the class.
I think they're prevalent because it's one of those things that a lot of kids do them and use them, and it's just like a way to fit in with your friends.